safe for too long. And I can't trust.
Hi everybody, hope you guys doing good. So today we got this 2016 Range Rover Sports 3-liter supercharge. This came in with a coolant leak. It was overheat once. So today we're going to check what's happening with the coolant system, why it's overheating. So we specialize in Land Rover Jaguar. So if you guys have any issues regarding the Land Rover Jaguars, we fix it. So today we're going to check what's happening with this leaking system. So we'll show you. Thank you. So we put everything together. So now it's time for testing, and we're gonna let you know what's leaking. As we increasing the pressure, we hear a noise. Oh, it's right here. It's the top of the radiator. And also, see underneath, all radiator is leaking from the front. So the radiator is leaking. Probably there are gonna be a couple of other little pipes too. So we're going to start digging up and we'll show you what's happening next. So we remove the bottom toe trim. So whenever we removing any of the plastic components on the front or the rear bumper, it has to be very carefully, because a lot of the time, due to the cold weather, they break so easy. So whenever we work on these ones, we would be every time extra careful. Yeah. So now we already removed the rad sport, and now we're just going to change the new rad. Before we remove this rad sport, we did the final pressure on the coolant test, and we find out there was a thermostat was stuck, blocked up. It was just the rationality of thermostat. So that's why now we have to change the rad, and we have to change the thermostat on the car with a new coolant in it. So finally, the rad is out. As you can see, it's all with the dust. You can see all the dust in the front. It blocks up a lot of air goes in the engine, especially in the winter time. And you can see this. The top of the rad is leaking due to a lot of pressure. So this thing happens whenever the thermostat stuck close. Yeah, so now we're going to change this. If you have any similar issues, you can just call us. So we got the part today. We got the new radiator. So that's the brand new rad, as you can see. And also we got this Land Rover coolant, which we're gonna use to install the new rad. We always use the OEM stuff. So we got this top pipe on the rad. It's a small plastic pipe. They usually breaks when we take off the radiator out because of too cold weather. So we use it OEM part. And last not the least, that's the thermostat. That's an OEM thermostat. It's a dual pressure, as you can see. This is the stuff got stuck. If it's not gonna open, something gonna blow out, either the radiator hose or radiator. That's the most common case happen in any car when the thermostat got stuck. Yeah, it's moved. Now we're going to change the new rad, and we did the final pressure test after removing the top rod, and we find out the thermostat got stuck down. So that's the reason the radiator got too much pressurized, and it blows up right inner portion where it's facing the fan side. So the top plastic portion that's cracked up just because of the thermostat got stuck closed. So now we're going to change the rad and the thermostat with the new coolant. So we install the radiator, and now it's time for wrap up. See the new radiator? It's time to wrap it up the car back. Most likely this Y pipe on these Range Rovers, they got broke down. So this is the updated part on the previous repair. We changed these one. So we So we wrapped up, and the bumper is installed, and we going to put the pressure on the gauge for the final testing, that how long the coolant stays in pressure. So we'll let you know. So finally, everything is wrapped up. So now the moment of truth, we're going to start it up and check everything is nice and clean. And after that, it's ready to deliver to customer. So if you guys have anything similar issue on your Land Rovers, we specialize in Land Rover and Jaguars. You can give us a call at 647-708-1300, or you can come to our shop at 241 Horton Street East. Thank you so much.